hungry day. Just another. Yeah, glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, but down to the ground. For the first time watch the channel, you know what to do. Please do subscribe. We're up on the road to 100k. You know, look like we're gonna make it, but we are trying. But somebody put up a bet. If we catch 100k before the year done, we're gonna do a shopping spree for one lucky subscriber in Jamaica. So we have to catch 100k first before it catch 2025. 2025, yeah, that's it. So we have a couple days left. So if you don't catch it, that they go half. So we just try push out if make you know say we have to catch 100k so somebody can get the shopping spree. But then go get to run down one supermarket 1 minute and pick up anything they want to pick up for the minute. If somebody go pay for it. That's the bet. Don't say there now. But anyway, watch a movie in the meantime still. Remember, let's go.
Well, it mean nothing. Well, it mean nothing.
Jamming with Studios. Love is real.
That take me heart out of my chest and give to you, give to you. Anytime you're around me, I make you happy, never make you blue, never make you blue. Now I believe when I'm said, love is true, love is true. You have me thinking about you, thinking of, you got me thinking about you. You got me dreaming about you. Now my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. And I walk through the forest just to get to you. I even walk on a crocodile back. I even climb in the treetop just for you. Take a bullet, run with a grenade. I die for you. This is true love. You have me feeling some sort of way, girl. What you doing to me got my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Love is true. Love is true. You have me thinking about you, thinking of. You got me thinking about you. You got me dreaming about you. Now my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free.
Alright, so what you do today? You me say now. Some clothes in the sun, what you have in there, for when? You need to wash them out.
Yes,
You wash them out, but I don't know fab though. When I go up on the road, I'll buy some fab. TV today, for your watch. Everything today for you circle down and chill out. Cool your foot, you just come up with your mother. When you play mother, you're free to run all over the place you want to run. But when you're there with me, you calm down. You right?
Yes, Daddy.
Because I realize that your foot hot. And I don't want to take piece of board and broke you out. Because I don't talk to the station and I say, yeah, if you hear someone come down here, I must my daughter because he reach an age now and he need to calm down. Road run too hot. And the street no love you. Street no love nobody. Alright?
Yes, Daddy.
So you what? I go get you in one of them places there, this training center. As no September, as January coming. You know, training center do some work, alright?
Yes, Daddy.
Alright.
Hello, mommy. I can't bother with Donia so man. Daddy too control. Me can't go. Not even out on the veranda. Me can't go. I know when me up where them me can't go road no one then. Donia so backside. My daddy lock me up in a room. I come up there, me and my friend come spend 1 week. Or so mama say a Christmas season, you know, mommy. And daddy too trap. Can't manage daddy. You see just 1 week, me want to come up there for. Please. Think about it and make me know, man. Yeah. Alright, mommy. Hello?
Girl,
Yo, what going?
the day you had
Yeah.
your daddy know about it.
No, you not too long gone, you know.
Come not too like that man then.
Girl. Yeah, to come over?
Anyways, me a forward, me a know you.
Alright then.
Alright.
Yeah.
What's up, girl?
What going, friendly?
What, go on?
Yeah, you miss me.
Eh? You see, through your father, me not too like your father, and then he go sick again. I can't take female sometimes.
I'm going to tell me what the streets are me and a friend.
How will him know about streets?
Yes, master say street no like me.
Yes. I don't know, so one party I keep later.
Weird.
Me to a rich boy. Right a white all.
Okay.
And I keep post party. And I forward.
Let me see. Daddy, if you go up on the road tonight.
If I don't go tell me say I come spend 1 hour and I can me no, the 1 hour thing not go work.
Listen now, Daddy, if you go up on the road, you have a business trip I go on. I don't know how long it will last. But what the fuck?
Is it that yes or no?
Yeah, girl, motherfucker.
Call liquor and all sort of things that go there. I know you love liquor.
Brother, Daddy too.
Name.
I said think about that because mommy not too long to So I said I want to come up there, but I'm here you go.
Oh,
So I said I want to come
how
spend
your mother live
1
again?
week.
How your mother live again? I can't remember.
Petersfield, mommy live, brother.
Oh, we are
But I tell you know, so around they say vibes did they. And mommy will let me go road anytime.
That's so for your daddy just like it
Daddy
up.
just-
You come like a furniture.
Look when put up on the TV, say me if you watch.
How about that? A Lifetime movie? You watch a Lifetime movie?
I don't even know what kind of movie to tell you. Say street, so me and a friend.
This a house as big and lame so.
I'm dead.
Anyways, I party me come tell you about come me when I go. I just saw from me not from you a go.
Girl,
Me a go.
I'll be there. One way or the other, me must do it. Must find some light tail.
Hey, me no. Daddy come here, come catch me, you know.
You
I
better-
can't take a lecturing.
You better be going.
Let me wait, daddy come catch me.
Yeah, girl.
Me not too like you. Jesus Christ.
How I go on?
You remember man, daddy?
You remember your friend?
I go, should I go still?
What she do ya?
So that my friend can't come look for me?
Remember, you know, me know your friend, you know. And say, show me your friend, I tell you who you are.
Daddy girl is not like that. Like, go on.
You know
I'm a
what?
money me left back here. And I look things say, shit, this is my friend. I'm want to be your friend too. You should be your best friend. And them as
So now you have no money with me?
listen me. Me not share a friend like that. Food in my fridge, I
Me
put
a
there.
go on my
Come,
yard, yeah?
come.
me
Touch
see your
road.
man.
I'm here, your daddy no plan go
Touch
like that.
road.
Me no want this same
Touch
kind
road.
of
Me see
Touch
your girl.
road. That herb here. Mama, and that the friend they have?
Daddy, from
What?
school days, me and the girl are friend, you know?
Yes, and I surprised. See you still there on the bridge bottom and sell over soap on the bridge or something. Because your friend now going good. You know her? Good?
Daddy, from high school days, Daddy.
Alright. And the next one of you know why I come for you up so? Me hear say every night when you pay your mother, you're there all over the place. And you have Dick, Tom and Harry all over the place too. And you can't say a lie. You have a boyfriend?
No, Daddy.
What that shit on your neck? From man, him want approach you with that, you know. You know so that no good for you?
Daddy, let me tell you how you go there. Let me tell you how you go there.
Don't, shh, I don't want to hear it.
Daddy,
I do not want to hear it. When me chat, me no want you chat off of me. When me I say to
Daddy,
you,
but me a try
blow out
to
the friend
explain
thing.
myself, Daddy.
I enter and get a piece of money. I go buy some church clothes for you. You start go to church.
Ah.
So you make some church friend.
Church friend, I want I say, who set a worst friend for keep, Daddy?
Make them baptize you in the name of Jesus. And let them say this and that. Yeah, them go keep you safe. Them one ya. Hello. I don't have time for you right now, you know. At least me come pick up my friend to go do some business. But what you do? Cook some food there or whatever. If I know you call me, that a mommy, she never spoil you. Hello, you are going to grow into be a young lady now. You have to learn to cook. You know a man for your kick and box you. Alright?
Hello.
Where you reach?
Me how much you charge my yard, you know?
Turn back. Daddy gone. Daddy gone. I money in the
Girl, me not
come
join lodge with this one your daddy, you know. Because me not too like him.
Girl, come now and gone. I money in the come back for.
Alright, me I come. Oh, for your daddy come so?
Me don't know him come down so.
No, sir.
And I got tell me about fi cook.
Unlike me, we have 10 big finger too left and you go over there.
Yes.
So I didn't you going
What wrong with me clothes? That's my pum. Come on, girl.
Come.
Come on, catch me.
You unruly bad.
Oh, the girl out there, so. Go on.
Ah, you don't tell me. So, he was cheering all along.
You don't know
You
Sammy.
can give, yes, daddy. Daddy.
So what you doing now, so? Huh? What you doing? What you doing on that stuff? I'm going to murder your blood. What you doing on that stuff? What you doing on that stuff? Yeah? What you doing on that stuff? What you doing on that stuff? What you doing on that stuff? Go in night car. Go in night car. Go in night car.
Yes, Daddy!
Go in night. Go in night car. Go in night car. Go in night car.
Oh, let me see.
Go on, where you go? Take it on the
And this, hey, I should have you and my daddy. I would have, hey, when me done with you, you're crippled. No, I cannot slap this time. No, I know we. I'm the one that come. Me said the girl father come here a while ago, come beat her on the road, you know. I don't know what kind of daddy that. Yeah, man, me a forward with them here. Alright, me a come. What kind of daddy that?
You look, you say your teeth broke up. You look, you say your teeth broke up. Sit down there, sir. Me not left here yes a while ago and say enough move on yes, sir. You look like it. I mean, you want to put in a trouble, not true? Left out of the yard, what can people them carry? Because true you know say me walk foot. And my brethren me see with the car, you know. Me beg him a drive. Because me suspect say yeah move up and down, you know. And as me come around the corner, so I you that me see a Billy bounce and a jiggy. What you do around there, so? You live around there? The TV there for your watch. Internet the panny. Oh wow. I don't care what you them carry. But if you think your name or your name left out of the yard. Left out of the yard. People them get them car back.
Should have prayed out.
Party. If you stop me after the next, you can party as much as you want. What come and get it, but you can party. Who are your friends? Who are your friends? You can't put this together, you can't follow me. Can you see me? Do you know who I am? You don't know who I am. Anyway, I tell us some of your friends come here and get some gone. Right, you got? I told you to run all down there. Let's not kill this girl. This girl. You see the video? Look here. You see the video? I shall look your I understand. You shall get it. You shall get it. Anyway. Alright, so you know, I'm going to go home. You're afraid. So do not try to execute. Because you catch up, I'm going to fool you up. You know what I mean? Alright. What do you do?
Sleep. Hello. Get up, man. One time I did we are asleep. What paying you up?
The daddy,
What did they do for paying you up?
the mood want piece of wood.
I must sit near to make daddy the cake, because daddy had the cake.
Dog go on the road, my friend, and chill me.
Me I go on the road for you to know that it's done already.
Like how you drink now, lock up daddy and assault me.
Who feel like up daddy?
You.
Oh, so through me a detective. Me feel like I'm my own father.
He assault me, sis. Look, just look and blame them all the way, love.
You don't know daddy done. Daddy strict, daddy controlling. And he better off you.
No.
Cause so many little like you. I see him so many one round road. And he keep me in the yard and see there. What if my friend when me the one do road with got party, got watch got Kingston with enough of them dead off. So I best thing that you do for me now. I see them I come make something of my life, I come turn detective. So let me if you do and listen to daddy.
Let's say if you lock up daddy. You know me and body are paying me.
So around there my fault.
But
Top guard road, listen. I same thing you do with me, but he never used to lick me like how you lick you because I used to listen. But you don't know ears all of that.
So I get money now.
Money for do what?
And then don't give me nothing to eat from there.
Why?
I think go up on the road, so I don't deal with it.
Well, when you don't deal with something, you don't carry no money over here for me. I don't know.
Give me a call.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Well, me not my phone, Jesus, thank you, because this time I want a friend you go call.
Mommy,
My
me
daddy
dog go
come
call.
for what?
You come for me.
Where your phone?
The man charge. Me not on a credit.
I don't have neither. I think mommy not come down for you. Mommy can't tap daddy for lick you.
Mommy, I know that cost.
That's all, you can't do cost. I'm gonna see sense, just listen. All you have to do if you say stand in the yard, stay in the
Stay now
yard.
on boring. Me lay down in a bed all day and no.
So you know, I see him say the boring I don't know when time me there grow.
Me run up on mommy, right?
Not even when my friend them a ride bicycle for the road when me lily here. Me can't go out there go ride no bicycle. Me have to stand in the house and sit down in my book.
Me run up on mommy because I know mommy did there couldn't lick me.
Oh. And mommy probably would have get licked too.
Couldn't lick me.
Daddy controlling, yes, you know. But I feel your own good.
But I don't like say me no look 16-year-old pin. Me a big old girl.
What you call big old girl?
When me 18.
You're not 18 yet.
And not even 3 weeks from now on my birthday. And I don't want to lick like me a little bit.
It no matter. You're still a little girl. Are you under your father's roof? You listen to your father. For daddy, water this?
Yes. I know me pain. Look for the mommy.
So what time I come back?
I know it's in my care about it. People care embarrassed to a chill me, you know. People care. I look me say, oh, this a care follow me up, so.
You look
And when
young.
who is daddy on my run me down up the hill, brother?
Why?
Beat me all in front of my friend.
That if you get me think me did bad back then, but seems like you are a bad one. God, daddy never have to run me down uphill nor chill me with no car. Che, just listen. Listen, and everything we are, you know, we get no leak.
Now they are cheap people like say me and they little people.
Look at my house, a house chore for the yard, for the make up the bed,
I'm sleep
wash
on
the
there.
plate. Are
And
you
daddy
father?
Me up on mommy and me can't go anywhere and me go with me and go and come back in my yard.
And that make the young girl them breed. Because their parents allow them to do what they want to do.
Me nah do nothing for go breed. I just go a party, that's all.
She you're just 17 and 18 yet.
And mommy allow me.
When daddy come, tell daddy somebody come over here. I go close because we can't bother with it for long talking on the back and so back.
Come wake me up out of me sleep, you know, not at all. I come pick up on daddy side.
Alright now, what me a say now? You alright? You look cool off yet? More did that for you, you know? Cause you see what the more you not here, and the more than 2 hands you go straight me out. You look a bit too old for being now, but you go pop.
Sister, come look for you.
Okay, that's a sister business. I'm going to share it ya. I'm going to sharpen it. And starting next week, I'm going to give you chores to do. You learn to chop yard.
Eh, me a boy picnic.
No matter. When you were coming, I was planning for a boy.
And a girl, me turn out in a.
Yeah. That's for your business. I'm all at 5 and now. I'm done. I get up look out some food for you to eat. Because I am a picnic. I love you. But I go licking sense in you. You want to follow the words. We cannot follow the picnic down the road where we turn lawyer and doctor. Yeah, follow the one.
Me tell you some more turn no liar and doctor man.
Hello, stop talking to me. Stop talking to me. I know your mama you talk to.
Miss up on mommy, God,
Hello,
you know.
stop talking to me before me take your fridge lick you. Me take a look at fridge and just lick you with it. That's how me tongue. You know Sam is a serious man. Do not talk to me when me talking. You listen. You're a child. Alright. You're tired, man. Hi.
Daddy. Daddy.
Two pound.
Hi.
I tired. The amount of food I just done much. We should come earlier.
Daddy,
Tired.
give me money now. It's a video.
Let me see.
Video this up.
Hold on. Let me see how much money it is.
Are you waste?
Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your daddy?
Yeah.
Let me see your rest right now.
See there.
I want to see the amount we have. X out this a 5 there where you say your papa said to give me. Let me see how much that.
7.
7.
7. Oh, mommy.
Where you get 1,200 US from?
Daddy.
Which daddy? You have a different father from the one we breed me and give me you.
No, mommy and daddy is a figure that they are. And keep this up for myself.
I don't know, but something in my brain that tell me say a lie. I tell you. Your father give you money? Your father. When me and him couldn't breathe because he couldn't even find dine. He not even have dry shit in him. Look here. Eh?
Oh, daddy,
You're going to tell me say your father give you 500 US to give me and give you 7?
yeah.
Give him back.
Alright.
No, tell him 7 I want it because me know say this. Look here.
I'm
I
tell
won't
you
get them money if you come from.
I'm tell you the truth. You see,
Listen
and when
me.
me I come, me find out. You me know say you go want me return it. That's
So
why
I
I
did
say.
that tell. Come in, know say your father don't give you no money if you come give me.
Find the road and me I
Even
come.
if your father have so much money, him not give you that then he not even give you $100 out of it.
Find the road.
He rather change it and give you one little chum change. He not give you that. So me know.
Find it, mama.
I lie out there. If you stop tell lie.
I find me I tell you true no.
All
Mommy.
of them
I
on a
true, me
lie, tell you, you're not listening to me.
Mommy, I true me know say me tell you say I find you go on, we go walk up and up and you till somebody say they last year and you want give back up time now they no money.
You go on, give back. Then of course if I know yours, you're not working.
But I find it, mommy.
Fine it.
Yeah, when me I come out on the roadside out this when me I come down.
And you not see who it drop from.
No, nobody never out. They I walk
You're
past.
sure see you
I
not
saw
take
it, no, mommy, I saw it said on the roadside. And I say, And is that so much money you come from? And me take up me and say, and I'm count here 12 Angela. And me look on the good to see if he real. And I say, but I must some white man I sit the job from, mommy.
Yeah.
I say, Cho. I God
You could
bless
have
me
just
with
find
it.
anybody but carry go down a station. Go.
Mommy,
Give the police them down a station and tell them say you
mommy,
find
them
it.
all take it for themselves. Mommy, time I didn't know God see say we want the money, and that's why somebody lost.
Same like how I know every civilian a thief. I know every police a
Every
thief.
police a thief, mommy.
No say that.
True.
No say so.
Expect sister. Expect sister. And she come down my daddy too, you know.
No say that. You have good police out there.
Mommy, look here.
Wow. But
Go on,
me
Miss
still not trust the money here.
Go on,
You
Miss
sure say
Kate,
somebody not science money and put it on a
Mommy,
roadside?
move that. Move on.
How are you?
Daddy be.
Then I saw him beat you harder when you was beat you.
One piece of board long bones, son. Do you remember Manda when me and I go to school together? Manda, me da follow Manda go up the road and he chill in a one car. I didn't even know see him. And he give me some liquor and he wanna me a pain me, mommy.
So hold on there. Just you have follow your friend.
Yes.
Your father see and beat you so bad.
Yes.
You don't do nothing else.
No.
Then suppose they do something bad. Wait a man, something I don't understand this. Me need to see your father.
And the man tell me about me not feel for tired because when me dey up where him here say me have big time and hurry.
So hold on, your father not remember your age. You how much now? You don't remember to tell him?
Me tell you something, but I me tell all when sister come over here, me as say, but sister next 2 weeks me a 18-year-old daddy cannot deal with me so. But I saw daddy used to deal with she, so me have to just learn and understand.
Who you tell so?
Sister,
Are your sister, you never go out with her and your friend?
my friend.
I understand
Sister come over daddy
Hold
today.
on there. I take away your father money and him beat you or...
No, man. Manda, you know me, my Manda will be go to school with.
Yes. But me have
Manda.
to, listen, means your mother me need to find out how this money thing is going on.
Tell
Because
them I
people
no,
will hope your
find
money.
me,
Just shut up when me a talk. Listen what me I say. You see that money here? Me afraid to touch it. Me no want to know nothing. Me no want to have nothing to do with it because people will hope your money put it on a roadside, pick it somebody and you go take you up.
But I know daddy money me take. When me I tell you want me daddy beat me and talk about money.
No, me we talk to him about the beating part because this serious. You're not supposed to lick you somebody. This a dangerous beating. I don't know normal beating this.
I don't tell me say next time I fridge him out flinging on my face.
Here we are. Hold on there. On the phone.
No.
I those with this and me just did a those off, you know, cause I wash one heap of clothes and tear those man.
About me too all fi bend so I'm all broke.
Who are gonna break you?
Daddy.
Hold on. Shut up your mouth. I mean, why you said nothing, I'm going to call him. Wait there. So when you ever they turn upside down, you know, like you can call up and down.
And you not even give me no food to
Wait,
eat.
Put it on. Wait, give me now. Alright. So you know answer phone.
No. I'm really feeling.
Hey. Look at him again. This. There's something you know right, man. You know right. Hold on there. So when they?
I left him down there asleep.
Jesus Christ. God help me, this a number, and next number me I look for. And I cannot find it.
I'm
So-
back,
Sorry, hear me. No answer. The phone hang up. I can't understand this. Yeah. Soon call you by. What do you mean? You text me phone soon call you by. No, wait. Hold on there. Hold on. I don't understand. Hold on there. Hello. You don't know what me call you about? What you mean no? What you mean no? What you fi beat your own a child like that? What you mean no? You don't know what me call you about?
She tell me what beat her. She call upon her phone.
No. She right in front of me.
I got tell my daughter they have to go to the backside. How many come?
What you mean when he come over there? What kind of butter bruise them and the pan her? What happened? What it look like a she and one dog did a fight. What is the problem?
The girl left out of the yard. We don't have a tail friend. One night friend around the wall, something like she run robot taxi. She run the road rider. She not get only one stop picture get everybody.
You hear?
Every party she did it. So now me see her left her like that to watch TV. See I said when she go over her mother when she go out with boys. Look at her neck. She said up in the yard she get that icky up on her neck and bagass. So me say girl, stay in the yard. Me have a carry go suck and come back. By the time me turn my back and come back, she not did it. One of my friends who will come page her then car. She run on the road. No she me see a wine roadside and like him advertise man walk up on hill. So me take a piece of
With our passing place and the musical place and we do then sit there. You know you TikTok dance and we really goes up on TikTok and that my dog.
Wine up so only kind of backside so am I picnic and me have a right for discipline. Me now spoil
Me
no
no
child.
picking.
So me there.
Me know say me no. Me not say fi spoil her. But at the end of the day, you could have make she go home with you and you talk to her. And if you punish her, if you beat her, beat her. But on the roadside with one big old long flat board.
Same place upon me catching me all the kid. Me not wait for nothing. Right in front of your friend. You look at your friend, them a get some too. You understand? The friend, alright. But me know say.
But this a serious man. All of them are butter bruise on the pan her like she want go a doctor.
No man, after me officer, they say they can't do nothing man. When me small and tired, they use and beat me. You must go to hospital, never go to hospital.
But not because you go through. You can't matter.
Never go to hospital.
So what then do you when time you small you come and do your kids them? You live in a past same way and take out all the way happen to you when you did younger and your kids them now. No sir. Me not say what she do. She have right for beat you know. But I not say you beat them man. I say you beat them. Police will lock you up, you know, you have to know what you do with the youth them nowadays, you know. Yes. But if you me know say she a police, so one of your daughter a police, but what? Where your daughter go do? True she a police, she go give you right when you're wrong?
No, she go have links in her jail, so if they lock me up at least nobody can bring me down in a jail.
Oh.
I can get things coming in a jail.
Dana donkey. Okay, alright, I don't know what my credit later.
When she come around? When she come home?
Nah,
She said she not coming back down there.
When I come here, tell her I said that. Traffic here, I bring up herself and some come here and I ain't there. Don't say coach I'm here about you. Because she while like a while and one show up here yard. She get when she want go. Because they take her out a couple of money. That's why they have with them. So they take care of her. She do lose when she from here yard because you're not turn up on her. Yeah, switch plan to win that too. You know, I know you know the car. You know about your best friend, you know. I your daughter is not your best friend.
Anyway.
You know what?
Yeah. You sound like you're echo. You sound like you're the echo. And me not hear you so good, so me call you back later. Later.
Keep her for the weekend.
Yeah, alright. Get up. You hear when Joseph on the phone. Is that true? And then
me never done. Me never done one. Now woke up and said, "Bye." Me tell you something that place. Yeah, African song.
God, Lord, because we know the pan road with your friend them and they wind up
African
yourself.
song was sawa, yeah. The African song that I play. Me and my friend that go sing this song. You don't know the TikTok song over there?
Yes, me know it, but
And that
me
we
hear you all the while.
And that would have, never that wine or wine or nothing. But I saw me that. Sawa, babe. Me never that wine or wine or nothing, man. not even whining song that.
Nobody take me gear right now, you know. When me see him in person, me go continue the conversation here, because I don't know which part in there, like me I hear him voice or echo, so me go finish the conversation with him and see where him go wrong and where you go wrong. Because not because you almost ate in your face if you disrespect your father. Me and him not there again. But not no mean say. That don't mean say. Me I go tell you say you figure cuss off your father. You hear me I tell you? You feel have manners. Get up and go on in your yard or if you stay and you come down here so without clothes.
So I'm not closing, mommy.
Am I clothes them I wear? Boy.
I'm gonna go on.
I'm
Oh, mommy. When me did out the road out there, I saw one poster or one part to name Hotness Come a Road. Can I go? Please.
You not have to ask me if I can go. If you want to go, you can go. And you know that already, so I'm going to say if you go on.
You know, say that's a little bit, mommy.
Yeah, my favorite daughter.
And you are the daddy. Backside, and a man shot that they handcuff me in the house up down there. But me say party I go bad. Me say party I go bad, man.
You can go, man. But be careful there.
Yeah, man, I'll be careful, mommy. You know me always careful.
So how much you going on at the party there?
All inclusive. 10 grand for your ticket. All inclusive.
Wait there. So where you going to get money from for going there, sir?
Mommy, I'm going to come out to US.
So, wait, hold on. Where did you say you get the money from again?
Fine.
So how you so lucky if you go a party where you 10 grand for going and you just find money all of a sudden? So.
Mommy, if I did obey money, don't say what happened to me already. You know what you did with the money.
Anyway, I believe you. I don't think you're take with nobody money, you're alright.
No, me I got people here to take people
No,
money.
you're a good girl, man. You're not doing something.
And besides,
Anyway.
daddy him hide our fee money, so nobody don't know what fee money.
Wait, say late at the party?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so you buy clothes and something already?
No, so I'm not buying nothing yet. But me dey want to go suit you. I say, I'm not buying no clothes like me have a bounce.
Alright.
You know, buy
You can
some
go
when
on
you
a
buy
party.
for last Christmas and.
You can go on, man. You can go on. Don't worry yourself. Just be careful and take care of yourself. There? Alright.
Sure, me I go hold a 5 people more.
Alright, go and go sleep. You don't have clothes. Why you expose
So like me, I
yourself
don't
so?
want me all it down, man.
Alright. Wake up. You know say I go a party. Say I go make the party done for you.
What time?
Time for you ready to go. Your friend them supposed to wait for
Could have
you.
wait me early, mommy.
Sure tired me just sit and make you sleep.
Sure, man. I'm glad me there already. Sleep. Mommy, how this look? Smell it.
It smell nice. It smell alright, man.
This not look bad.
No, you can wear that because you don't see a beard already and something and then you smell good, so that's alright. You can wear it. Look nice. So you have one shots and I want all shots.
Yes, ma'am.
All shots neck and die.
That's a party.
Yeah? So that's so much money you carry around one party?
I'm a top party, you know.
Oh,
Later, man.
one.
Mommy. Say, mommy party nice, you see?
Where you drunk, man?
Party nice, mommy. Money.
Oh, you care about some of your money?
Me not dirty, man. Me not dirty.
Oh. Me I put your money over here, so. No drink no more, Lord Jesus, she don't need. Put it on this up, one lie down, because it look like your head is stand up straight. Lie down, lie down. Now wake up, now wake up, now wake up, now wake up. Cover up yourself. I don't know if you're exposing yourself, so God have mercy. God. I can't believe say you may really have the 17 years and 9 months. No, 17 years and 9 months. Yes. That's only 18. So much that I know. So that more, yeah, I understand. So it's all the 9 months where you're staying on my bed. It's all the 9 months there. Because 3 months time, you are 18. What? 9 and 3 are 12. Not really, but at that same way, 17 years and 9 months. You're getting real big. Look for me girl how she sexy. I can't believe say you me did sit down with her in my belly so long. And me watch you grow as a little baby. And look how you get big now, me not even can manage you. Yeah, my daughter, you know. And I love you dearly. Anything you want, me I go give you. And I don't want nobody call up your name and tell no lie for you. And me, that's why you see when your father left, me and him couldn't breathe. Because him want beat you. Tell me, nothing give you this and nothing do that, but me not know that. Anything you want, me I give you it. Anything at all what you want, and me they give you. And no father can go and tell me, say me nothing make you go there so, and me nothing make you do this, and me nothing make you do that and don't give you this and don't give you that. You are my daughter. Me go take care of you to the fullest, and anything you want, ask me for it, make me give it. You know you are asleep, but don't worry yourself. You're drunk. You just won't come out of your drunk. The same time you wake up, me look for your breakfast, you and your bed and fresh up back yourself. Yes, and me I carry about what they call it, tutti frutti. I did promise you. Yeah, me promise you for how much more now, so I carry tutti frutti. So in there with me I'm going to surprise you. Tutti frutti will I go on my baby? Okay. Alright. Me lie down beside that. You're my daughter, you're my favorite daughter. I need a daughter they don't live with me. And you alone love me and can with me. So anything what you want, maybe give you. Lie down and sleep, you're my baby. You're my big baby. Go get little sleep now. Who is it?
Detective. Hello?
Mommy, who be that?
Che!
My head though.
Listen, I know me have no family but a business me come from. Me come to investigate she friend, Manda. She missing.
What?
Cannot find her. Somebody go report her missing for how much weeks now. So me need to know where Manda there.
So what me have to do with Manda missing?
When I last time I see Manda.
Last time I saw Manda. Remember me tell when me tell her.
Listen me, talk to me properly.
The day when my father beat me, me and I did go for some horse party up the road.
The last time they see her in one green blouse and one shorts. And a 1 week now and then no see her.
Yes, that I last time I see her and the day the daddy beat me.
So, wanna check her appearance or whatever? Cause me hear say I want bad little girl, you know. My daughter, let me tell you something. You see the reason why I never want she keep my daughter as no friend. But you know, too she big, me just lower make she keep her as one little friend. But me never know say so she did stay. I don't want she come break out my daughter. No, she miss me. Me can't believe. Me hope they find her still. Me hope I know nothing bad happen to her and they find her because I would like that to happen to my child. God no type one, me no want nothing do.
Well,
And from daddy take me from there so, me don't see her here back from Amanda.
You sure?
Yes. You know, see her and hear back from her from them time.
How are this? Mommy, how are that? Alright, you say I see her here for her. I'm gonna come fill out more.
She have keep on her neck. But remember, say she's soon 18, so I don't know if she have one little boyfriend as long as she don't make them breed her. And a long time, I
And
don't
that
see
you know
you.
about this?
Our father supposed to know, I think many minutes talk on the phone and me hear him mention something about Icky of course. Anyway. I hope you stop coming look for me, so me and nobody your mother again.
No, I don't stop me my work me there now. Work me there for right now, you know. So me shouldn't know how to
Yes,
talk to
yeah,
you
they
like
work.
say a family. You're supposed to be a cheating like a civilian now. I work me there for one time me off duty me come check you. Here, you.
You know how much time you tell me say they can't check me? And you is my first child. And I realize you prefer your father more than me. And me take care of you. Me take care of you to the fullest.
I don't prefer.
Me
Me
take
not pick
care of you.
side.
Me
I just
suffer
show me
with
a
you.
work. And a daddy make me a work. And daddy look out for me. It's me up here more than I got road like
So me
shit.
no look out for
Don't
you.
mix me.
Mommy, when me off duty, me call her. Here.
Alright. Take care of yourself.
Yeah.
See what me I tell you. Daddy favorite. I mean, daddy want beat. I come.
I'm not gonna sleep. You don't know how me suffer with her. She's my first child. Before me half to have you. Uno father never they give me nothing. Nothing they go and for him. So me understand. Me wash people dirty clothes, me go all over the place, me do any kind of work just to make us survive. You understand? Then when things are going for your father, you know what I do? Left me and go there with next girl. See it there? And him not run down.
Not me, mommy.
And him not there run down every minute to know, but I him you live with. He say if you just stay over for the weekend, say someone to go back to your yard. But everything is all good. Everything good, man, no problem. God a God. Worry on yourself. I still love you. And I love her too. Don't worry.
A week gone now, and then can't find her. Funny day them see her in the green bones, can't find her. But I have to say to you, be careful. It seems like some human trafficking
Listen to your
business
sister,
are
baby.
gone.
Listen to your sister.
Because a multiple young lady missing now. And I know we can't find them. I know somebody where your friend missing. And yet you still want them on the road all over the place. Be careful. And don't make me have to talk to you again.
Listen to your sister. There's nothing wrong with your sister that. Here? Lie down and sleep because you're tired.
Alright, mommy, me I come go pick up the something here before the shipping company closes.
Alright.
Yeah, me soon come back.
Take care and be safe.
Yeah.
You look nice too. Alright.
I'm here. And you say if me shipping company I go pick up something there.
Boy, you know, say, I'm really the weird missing and I
What's your answer?
something else and glisten like the sunlight. I don't know why, but I have to tap since day. So, you're not a boyfriend.
Not right now.
That was so good, man.
Why?
Come like you. Yeah, so you know no man or nothing. No little boyfriend.
Not right now, you know. Not right now.
When I want to get on a date in the evening, seriously.
Well, I'm about to approve for this.
So your mother do.
Don't give a damn.
Not a problem. Which one? Good evening.
Meet
My name is Xavier.
Vivian.
Vivian. Nice meeting you, Vivian.
Alright, let me talk. So, I was wondering if I could, you know, I saw your daughter and she looks beautiful. You know, miss where she get it from my mother. But I see her, I talk to her, I tell her I like her and I want to get to know her, but I want to take her out in the evening.
I don't think she feel you're Nancy good. You know her father, she feel her father.
But anyways, as I was saying that, I see her and I say she look nice and something and I ask her, you know, we can get to know each other, she can put me. And she say,
So, who are your parents? Who is your parents?
you know, Teddy Brockshot. I'm going to see that.
That thief in Monday?
No one there. Teddy Brockshot. The millionaire.
Oh.
Millionaire son.
Okay, me hear about him, but me not really know him.
Yeah. So I just say that I'm going to show this.
So how long since you know my daughter?
Just a while ago.
And you want to take out my daughter?
Yeah, because she catch my eyes them. She
My
just
last
she just
daughter,
grow like a son. You know the son bright. So she say you have to approve it. So,
So,
I just come to approve so we can have her in my life.
Me don't know you, know. And me dey beg you, in the name of Jesus. You say if you're going to take out my daughter,
Yeah.
you go have to protect her.
Of course.
Take care of her. Do me the beg you, no me
You
no
want to
want
body
to.
girl and them something about a
Me
true.
no want me and her father in no argument or her
You
sister.
understand.
You hear me?
You understand.
Especially her sister. Her sister love her dearly. They maybe cannot agree sometime, but do me the beg you. Me not even should have seen her, because me don't know you, know. But me just a please she. You understand?
You understand.
So anyway, you can go on and make sure you go and come down.
So thank you for your generosity to let me can take out your daughter. I'll bring back something nice for you later, alright?
You're welcome. Shay,
Yes, mommy.
if I any little thing you can call and me come for you or me send one taxi for you here.
Yes, mommy.
No need for that.
Yep. See, you left your
No,
money.
she don't need that. I have my own. She don't need that. That's alright. I have my own cash.
Oh,
Let me show you like this. Come in.
Ready?
Mommy.
You ready?
Yeah, come tie this one, please.
Hold on. Not too tight.
That's alright.
You good, that's it?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm really excited.
You good?
alright.
You know what I'm saying? I'm already pretty thirsty for food.
Okay.
You know what? It's not. Yeah, so, well done. Well, I ask you to do nice for you, especially cooking and food.
Yeah, it is nice.
I really believe in it, I'm really thing. So, I'm so good.
Yeah, I'll go peek here and come back.
Alright. tell me more like where you like your future, like where.
Well, I like to become one baker, own my own bakery. Yeah.
Well, that not sound bad enough. Lake never sound too bad. And them something there. So like your mother now, like where do you want to see?
My mother now. My mother, my word. My mother, my everything. Mother want to have the money for spoil my mother go and spoil her. Spoil her cup.
Okay. You good?
Yeah.
Alright, so like no, what did I say? Like, for example, say, you're supposed to buy a vehicle, what the first type of vehicle? You go for your high car, you go for your, you know, just a normal
Honestly, my dream car. Honestly, my dream car always is a drop top. It doesn't really matter what brand, as long as it's a drop. As long as it's a drop top.
Well, anyway, so
How that?
Hey, baby father.
Come in.
You're not locked to your door. This we can't come from my daughter. What she there? Can you tell me say mosquito are dealing with it over here? So for one day we can't come, but we don't have the time. So I'm buy to cover up with something else.
She not there here. She gone out. She carry one friend come here and ain't gone on road.
When she gone?
A 2 times you see the Monday come here now.
But when my daughter gone? When?
I don't really know where she gone. She just tell me said them a go must go have dinner or whatever.
Oh, since there?
No.
When?
Remember if I what time yesterday or when? But she gone.
You still a drink?
No.
Look like you still a drink. Cause you tell me say she gone 2 days now, 3 days now, 4 days now, and she not come back. You call her?
I know me not tell her
Call
which
her.
exact day, you know, me just say
Yes.
mostly yesterday, me no remember.
So
the
you
time.
hear from her from morning?
No, me a call her and me can't get her. Me can't get her, her phone can't dead. Somebody can thief her phone.
So regularly, this is how she go for 1 3 days when she over here?
No, listen. Her phone can dead, it can last, and somebody can thief it. Me a call her, and me cannot get her.
Alright. Been in a long talking now with you. You're done with your mother. Don't walk on the road already. Can't go on that. But what me I say now, as soon as she come back, you make she call me. So I need to come get her things and bring her and make her back to go to my yard. When she come back, I need to bring her back home. Because you don't have her no guidance over here. So she cannot left for 3 days, you know, past she there. Oh, she got left for 3 days.
You don't say people them don't answer chat too much. Because me tell us say I must yesterday, me don't remember what time. Then
Alright.
Then really have to tell us say 3 days.
Somebody
Oh,
tell
they
me say they see me go to the new man. She doesn't know the man, but she go so we don't new man, but then you see she come back. So and you know she not to me, so me don't know what I want.
A 3 days for true, but didn't talk too much.
Alright, so what you out to do now? Where she dead?
Yeah.
You know say our friend, I know they don't find our friend though. You hear about it? No, they don't find the friend, you know.
So if our friend missing the road, that
Because me I say something to you now. There is a news in the grapevine saying that they want people elsewhere in the world to do on a daily basis. So they have them in some basement worldwide. They just take them from one country, put them in one place. Just like slavery. It's there again.
So where I check.
It's called human trafficking.
She missing too? That way I say.
No, what I'm saying to you, you should know if she missing too. Because I don't know about she there. Because she there from when. I love this week I come over here and be smart on the road and then when me I come there say XYZ to
No,
me.
you can't get her some of your things so she can up a fear yard.
Listen me. She don't love my yard because I'm strict. She can't go now when she down my yard. So she could have never been in this situation, yeah. So anyway, put that in the pipe and smoke it and I will come back to you again. So you need to find my daughter.
Well, if me look and see her by the day fit done, me go down a station to report it then because me not understand this. Me not see she come and I use same one did say. I just weekend she fi stay down here. So some of your things say maybe you take away your phone from her because me know how strict you be and she. And me I call you fi ask her if she up there. Me not know if she there. Me think she there for your yard.
No, no think. With the picnic, no think. You never hear me a think yet. But hear me as now. You respond to that. So you get who you get involved and interested you find the daughter. Because my great feeling that tell me say she gone too.
You hear what you gonna put for me picnic? Listen to me. You see, any how she run way, I go for your fault. All in my yard she did there because she afraid of you. She can't do nothing in a piece of you. No, you come blame me.
She might end up in a pieces.
That you want fear. Watch your face. Go report her at station.
Come here. It's a really hard to share. I don't know. I learned we can't process it. Come on, share it.
You know what I'm saying? She care one man come here. And them say them a go out. Me allow her to go out with the man even though me never know the man. Right there so me wrong cause me not say the man do nothing to her about.
All
You know
these years, mommy, daddy are trying to knock something in our ears. No, take it. Especially Shay, especially you. You used to live with daddy and know him stay. Remember saying grow me as house rat, why you can't grow Shay as house rat?
Anyway, she come back. Then she and the same man come back again. Then say them a go out. She come and she dress up. You see the man when she go away the first time? And the same man come back here. Say them a go somewhere. So, because me know how her father, matter of fact, Uno father.
You don't know how daddy can.
No, me-
Because if daddy never make him go tired, much less have time to talk to man
I
pan
don't
road.
that me talk. Me think say she gone up her father yet because her father did say just a weekend she could stay down here. So me a call her now and can't get her. So me think Uno father take with the phone for her. So me just still make it stay and wait until them call me. Me can't believe, no man. Because hold on. Me did take a picture of the man. Hold on.
Why actually even know me tired and then me hear this and me do this.
Hold on there.
I got alone can't know.
Look, see there. Me take the picture of him. See him the side way? And surely see them and you see them. Yes.
Me don't know this a boy. I first me I see him. Where he come from?
See him there. So him, she go away. I mean, I see her back. But
And you don't know the boy.
I mean, I know him.
And you make your daughter go out with a man where she don't know. Where she just meet.
Right there, so I have to take him blame for true.
Boy, right now, to tell you the truth, several girls missing in our last 3 days. Several girls. Young girls not share age. And that's why I been at have to share say stay in our yard, do not go on the road. And see the now, I know when I find them the girl there plus me no find share friend where they missing for how long. Now the girl that when they missing with share friend. None of them say how much girls that? Missing now? Over 30 yard girls missing. In the community. So a serious something will go on and me come over here and me talk to you so make sure you be safe. keep her off her road. I have to tell me, say, yeah, my mother, what kind of mother? Right now, I can't rest. Because we have to look for the girl, them. We have to do work 24/7. So if one of them call me, we have to do by phone to hear if one of them call for discover their location or something. This a boy I know, I force me to see this a boy.
Speechless. I don't feel because I have to take the blame. I'm wrong for sending her with stranger.
So what that is about this?
You know when Stardina I get upset and to make sure send me car in data come give back and one it or something. But what me I go do now?
And then you say man controlling.
What me I go do?
Him
What me I go do? No,
controlling,
what me I
him
go
only
do?
try. Never see if we can find out some sort of information.
Shay, oh God, please listen me and please Shay and do something. Father God, may I beg you, give me strength. May we find her back, please. We can't take a problem.
Now go on, babes.
What?
Sorry, so it takes so long. Maybe I did some things on the road. You understand? Maybe I did some things before I come and so you know.
Well, look how long you call me.
Yeah, I know. But I call you know, so I call them in the left out here. When I tell something they pass away, I tell something in the left out here.
I saw no Jamaican.
But also you have a talk because we don't want to hear them. So what go on?
Nothing. But then I feel thirsty.
Yeah, you're off for Jamaica. You know, see me going up my yard.
Not no bad, but more for chasing.
Like,
Chasing
what kind of
them.
chaser?
One thing or one boom.
Alright, we go by. So, don't move now. You soon come back.
Me not move, man. The first person.
She's hurting.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Alright. Alright.
I know some of know you know, but I just want to ask one question if you know this person. And I look for somebody. And it is very important. Maybe you can see the one here, but we can show you other one. You can see more better right here, so. See that? Let me zoom up and make it see. You ever see this person before?
No.
You sure? Look for him good.
Me know him.
You know him? So when
I
I see him? That's why him may look for money talking about something important.
I hit me away from right now.
You will wait on him right now?
Yeah, me and him are going together. What happened?
Don't worry yourself. I'm going to say something to you, but don't be scared. Just listen to me. I am a mother. And I'm sure what I'm going to tell you. You hear me? You see this boy here?
Yeah.
Let me just show you. If you know me, you don't go nowhere with it.
What me?
This boy here make a lot of young girls missing. Them a do human trafficking. I don't know if I pay who him a work with pay him or him and them are the boss. I don't know, but him involved in a hit. So right now, this same boy here, let me just show you. He come on me yard already. And me, like idiot, we say me a mother, make me own a daughter go with him. You understand me?
It's not real.
Right now, I ask in the name of Jesus. Do not go away with it. Else, you is the next in line to get missing. Human trafficking. A serious thing not going on in our world. You have to be careful. Not go away with it. Which part you got?
I'm going to my store this November.
How long you think you might take to come on?
I don't know, it depends on the line in the
Alright, here I know. You stand up right here, so you're going to move from this side here and go here, so if you walk up here, you just walk and come back. You hear me? Don't want to hear now. Me go walk around here, so but me have something to tell you first before me leave. This is what me sure of. My daughter a detective that a big one. And the younger one in gone with. And she missing. My younger daughter missing. And me sure say him she did go with. And me not see her back. Much days now me not see her back. Right now me in a big problem. So do. You see anytime you see him come, just walk come round here so to me. Me don't go stand up round here so come round here. Me don't want to stand up there so he ain't go disappear. Me don't want him suspect nothing. Not say nothing to him, just nothing too tough. Just say you go round there so he can follow you. You want to use the bathroom. You hear me?
Alright.
Don't worry yourself, man. Me go get me
So
a
you're
carry.
sure so you have this covered and everything?
Now this is the same boy you say you know?
Yes.
Okay. So, here I know. You see him? Me sure say him. And him gone with my daughter, him they do the human trafficking with whosoever him a do it with. But be careful. Be safe. Remember me there around here so.
Alright.
Make him follow you come tell him say I go use the bathroom. You hear?
Alright.
Alright.
So let me get this out.
You know, you get no thing I don't boom, but we have to go work this. Yeah, boom soda.
Well, this work, man, but I want to use the bathroom.
No,
Can't wait to reach up.
no problem, man. Forget that.
I wish my bathroom then. What? Oh, one day round or so. So, come, follow me now, come free around it. Come on, no.
Yo, yo. Long time me I look for you. No long me I look for you. You know how long? Oi. Young girl, hold you. Come here. You come over here, so. Yes, sir. Come over here, so. I look like you not see who you're talking to. You don't see who you're dealing with, don't you? You don't sit down. Yo, you don't sit down. You know who you're dealing with? Eh? Yo, give me this. Look, give me this. Hold this. Where my daughter? Where my daughter?
Where the?
Where my daughter? Where my daughter? And this is where I take with people, young girl, pick me and they carry them with what you do. Where you do? What kind of trafficking thing you depend? You think me not hear about you?
Hear about me.
What you mean? What you mean? Where my daughter? Where my daughter there? Where my daughter there? That me I talk about. Where my daughter there? Where my daughter? That you do wear gloves and then sit me and mask up and sit. Boy, take off them. No! Make everybody see you look. Take it off. Where my daughter? Yo, if me give you 2 out of 5, you talk which part my daughter there fast. What you mean? What you mean? Yo, kneel down. Kneel down. Kneel down. Hey, kneel down. Where my daughter there? You feel say a joking thing with that man. And who this? How for picking this you want to take away again? Who this you want to take away again? So that you do. You have a boss around you at the head. Which one of them? What you mean, which head? Lord God. That's how you do with people picking. So you come and me yard go and trick me. So that you do promise her soda. If you trick her and carry away, oh, you're not going with that one tonight. Where my daughter there? Where my daughter? That me ask her. Where my daughter? Where my daughter? Where my daughter there?
Me can't show where she dey. Me can't carry where she dey.
What you say?
Me can't carry her go where she dey.
You feel say a joking thing? Yo, give me your phone. Pay and call me. Nobody you know make no call.
Ja, please, me talk to you, your humble servant, your son this year. Carry my daughter safe. I don't shut my eye, because too much.
What is so? Stay with him. Stay with him.
How are you in there?
You know what I say? Let me tell you something. I always blame you. Me always blame you. Your father there. No come back on me yard. If me want to see you, me will come look for you.
How are you in there? I'm on
Look
there
here.
go.
You see all of the custom when me cuss you? And me always blame you. Say you this. Stay with your father. No come back on me yard. If me want to see you, me will come look for you. Anything when me have to give you, me will carry come give you. You don't know so the little girl here. Jesus Christ. Fire. Every time we used to talk about this little girl here, me not say me sorry say me ever, you know. She have a good father, but I thought you was the worst father. You are the best father in the world. Me never used to listen to you. Me think how wicked and did a cruel to her. All one time she come tell me you beat her. And how you do her in front of people and all kind of something, and me dey sorry for her. And me did wrong at the end of the day, me spoil her. And it wrong, so me go admit the fact say me did wrong. And me still wrong. You know so she care one man come at me yard. And how tell me how she want go out with the man. Me don't know the man. Me double wrong, you know. Me tell her if she go on because me say me a please her. Because she are the youngest one. Jesus Christ. She come back with the man, so me feel say everything good and alright now. The same man come back for her one next time. In the same suit as she go with the man. Lucky thing me hide and take the man picture. But you know too, she's so 18, me I try to please her. And say she can have her little boyfriend but not get pregnant and not get no disease. Lord Jesus Christ. Fire. Problem. A problem. Find me go find her then take her away. Little most me not see her back again. Not even you wouldn't see her. Me don't know what mother tell her. Say I swear. I know the police would have locked me up because that would have my fault. As me tell her, me don't know the man from nowhere. And me send out me own a pitney to a stranger. So she could have analyzed all because of me. Me don't know what mother do. So thank God, me get her back. You know what? Keep your pitney.
Yo,
Keep
so,
her.
so, where then can you go? Which man can you wear?
Why? God know me glad me come to me same time no daddy car. Good amount of girl did there. Then see I did it, my friend sex trafficking then that go use we do send me got different country. And then send off Manda already and 2 girls when me go they go see gone already. A good thing mommy show up a spot for time is mother gone too.
You look a spot to the robot.
To
You
see.
nah listen. Because you say me big and me whole and me fool. Me too strict and overprotective. You see why? The street not love you, you know? The street not love you. Your parents love you. Your mother should now a different way kind of think you my best friend and bench and batty. But me and that, me your protector. You have to listen when me talk to you. You thief my money, you know, I search my money, I can't find my money, me know, so you take it, you know. And them time, they just not come home, so I can go on with it, you know. One if I US, me there for me, you know. And we just say, I can go on with my daughter. But you deserve discipline.
Jesus Christ. Before me go on the money part, you did ask me what? Say when me find her?
We'll find out.
Jesus Christ. You don't know say the same little dirty man when me did take him picture. Lucky thing me did have a picture, me go see him. And the way I deal with him fire. He did have to talk. So him direct me which part she there. And so comes me could have get her to care about. Me say me glad so till because me never want you to do me nothing. I swear. Then imagine, She looking at me face, She so me take you, yes, me is the bad mother. Me spoil you, wish me wrong. Like say you know, baby. Me go take all of them wrong there. But you see the thieving part, me not take it. Because number one, from me see you come with the money, me know say something did wrong. First, me ask you, where you get it from? And you start tell lie. Me ask you if I your father money. No, I don't my father money. And you change it. First, you say you pay you know. Remember, first you say your daddy give you. But to me never believe you and me never want you feel no way. Cause me about me they protect you and say, yes, you are the nicest one and you are the decent one and me prefer you more than your bigger sister. The devil is a liar. Me wrong right there so. You're not supposed to have no opinion and prefer no more than none. You're too thief. You're so 18-year-old and you look like them finger you no feel. You look like them and no feel.
So
you
they
take
beat
your
you?
father money.
They don't beat him there. They beat him there. What then do? They beat you there. They lick you. They not kick you.
Don't shake your head for your father. Your old
They
father
try to do
now.
all of them things you do want look experience, man. They try to get 2 uppercut on your belly. 2 ears as. Make you see your life hard out there.
I can't believe so she thief your money and come tell me like how I she find it on road.
Thank God in there, back.
Why you thief your father money,
Thank
little
God in
girl?
there, back. Right now, and there are some people look out for
You
you.
know
Go
what?
tell them.
See her there. Keep her. Feel life. Now come back to me yard, me gone.
Yeah. Tell everybody so nobody look for her. She come back home. Her mother find her. I want a long story. Tomorrow I hear about him. We can't chat tonight.
You see you?
It's a long
You
story.
think you did love me. I say you hate for your mama till you want me to figure out prison, little girl.
Tomorrow.
Me gone.
No respect,
Me
no, no
gone.
respect.
Stay with your father. He's not a good daughter. Stay with him, man.
Go on, come on from bed with another clothes and go bed. Go bed and change your clothes. Okay, you can say, Santa see you roll up and down. Go and go bed and change your clothes. Pick me on no good, no right for wrong. You know, the parents overprotective, you know. I don't know if you do, you know. Thank you, Jah, you answer my prayer. Thank you, Jah, you never feel like. It's the end of another year, you know what I mean? And give thanks for a year. And give thanks for us being here. You know what I mean? So, Ganja is the producer of this event. You go see it come up on the screen. I want you to support it. It's a talent search plus an after party and bag of things. Yeah man, up in Mandeville. You know what I mean? Primary and junior high school. Yeah man. So look out for that thing, yeah. Born to shine. You know what I mean? Victory is mine. Let's go. Yeah man, so what they are now, I go and put in the work from that time to this time. And the same fight. The same struggle. You know what I mean? So we are doing it. But for the new year, we have lots of changes coming for the new year. So stay with us and help us build Jamaiwood. So Jamaiwood there 90 yard. We need to go 100K. You say that on the first part, so somebody go win a shopping spree, but Jamie would have to catch 100K for that come into play. Alright? You're right at the roadside. You know what I mean? So we're not hide. Let's go.